You buy a home with a pool, or maybe build your own pool thinking about how much fun you and your family will have. But too often those dreams evaporate when you get your first heating bill. Using free heat from the sun, your SunHeater solar heating system pays for itself in a season or two. Use it to reduce the workload on your existing pool heater and lower your monthly heating bill or eliminate it altogether. Heat is all about BTUs. Don't be fooled by the mini solar systems like the Dome products. Solar heat is based entirely on the product's surface area. It's simple math. SunHeater solar heating systems are the real deal. They've been heating swimming pools all over the world for decades. Your pool's pump pushes the water through the panel's many tubes where it is heated by the sun and returned to your pool. Models are available for any size or shape residential pool, in-ground or above. SunHeater is affordable and easy to install on your roof, a rack, or a fence, or even laid on the ground. Open your pool earlier and close it later. Get more enjoyment from your pool for a fraction of the cost with SunHeater solar heating systems.